So now let's see how we can work around with the note header formattings inside of Evernote. So here you can see that I have a note opened up, and let's say I want to turn this into a header. So in that case, you can go around onto the top, and here you can see that you can select large header, you can select medium header, or you can select small header right here, just like this. If I were to go around over here, you can see that I can apply large header right here, apply large header to match as well. So let's say, for example, I'm going to go around over here and select large header right here, just like this. And I'm going to bold this out and change the color right here of the header by using this option to red, just like this. So now what I can do is I can go around onto the large header section and update large header to match. So once I do that, what happens is that the header style changes. So if I were to go around over here onto any other header, and if I were to go around over here onto large header, then I can apply large header and the exact same format is applied over here. As you can see, I'm going to go around over here, and once you select it, you can go around onto large header and apply large header to this, and this is what you have, as you can see. If I were to go around over here and then apply, let's say, for example, different headers. So I'm just going to go around right here and select a different color for this. I'm going to go around onto large header and update the large header. Once I do that, what happens is that all of the formattings of the large header gets updated on the other headers as well. Same goes for regular text as well. So let's say I have this. So I'm just going to go around onto normal text, apply normal text, and no changes actually take place right now. Let me just divide these into multiple paragraphs right here to show you an example. So I'm going to go around and change this to green. So if I were to go around onto normal text right here and update normal text to match, then all of the normal text you can see is updated to this particular format. And that is how you can go around and change around the header formats and everything according to how you want. Similarly, the same goes for medium header as well and small header as well. You can even go around and change, let's say, for example, a font size right here. And let's go around onto the large header and update large header to match, and the font size for the other text changes as well where headers are applied. If you want to go to the default format, then you can go around onto the large header and reset the large header to default, and everything will be set to default, as you can see, just like that. Same for the normal text as well. You can reset the normal text and every normal text becomes as it is, as it was before. So that is how you can work around with the note header formatting options inside of Evernote. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.